the Erie County Sheriff's Office covered up nothing.
Erie County Sheriff John Garcia testified for more than 2 hours in the Erie County Legislature, pushing back against criticism of his handling of the DJ Granville case. The biggest question he was pressed on, why the county's Chief of Narcotics was not given a sobriety test after driving the wrong way in Buffalo and crashing into 7 parked cars over multiple blocks last year.
During the initial internal investigation into this accident, I could only consider the information I had at the time. I knew that Chief Granville violated policy by not reporting the crash to the Erie County Sheriff's Office in a prompt manner.
Garcia said Granville called him the next morning to tell him about the crash. He said Buffalo police responded to investigate, including Granville's sister-in-law. Garcia said police gave no indication that Granville was under the influence of alcohol.
Did you ask them, were you under the influence of prescription drugs?
I don't even think I could ask that perfectly.
There's no HIPAA that's preventing a police officer or an employer asking an employee, were you under the influence of drugs when you crashed 6 cars? Why didn't you ask that?
Didn't think to ask him if he was on prescription drugs.
Did you ask him if he's on illegal drugs?
I did not.
Garcia says after the crash, he found out that Granville was prescribed medication for anxiety and depression and later went to a 30-day facility out of state for treatment.
Why are you protecting DJ Granville? Why not just fire this person?
So, what kind of boss would I be, Charlie, if I took somebody who's suffering from a mental wellness issue that has a stellar career and throw them out in the garbage?
We just want an unbiased, true opinion on what really happened and was the consequences enough.
To you, was there a cover-up?
I would say some things just don't make sense.
Garcia says Granville remains the chief of narcotics and instructed him to pay for the property damage. Michael Schwartz, 7 News Buffalo.